Very busy morning, ladies.
That's right.
Yeah, and we're going to start things off with Cheetah. You've got some breaking news for us.
We do. So Hurricane Grace that we've been tracking, it's been moving towards the Yucatan, just made landfall just south of Tulum. So I know popular areas here are some people either trying to travel or may have just taken that trip. Category 1 Hurricane Grace makes landfall in Tulum just about, 2 minutes ago. So you're seeing it breaking right here. Category 1, it is expected to weaken throughout the day down to a tropical storm because of that land interaction with the Yucatan. It'll pick up back to a Cat 1 before making its second landfall right along the coast there in Mexico. Now, no impacts are expected here locally or in Texas. Our back to school forecast for you this Thursday. Out the door this morning, it is a sticky, steamy start. That 80 degrees is feeling more in the mid to upper 80s. So prepare now, especially if you try to get that early jog in. 94 feels like up to 102, a 40% chance for an isolated storm. More on our rain chances, Ruben, in just a little bit.